All right, today here at Tri-Tool Technologies, we're back with 5712. This is a pipe and tube severing machine. It can range from 7-inch to 12-inch and go up to 1/4-inch wall. It's got capabilities with a single tool holder when you're running on your thin wall pipe, or a double tool holder so you can have a lead and a trail tool bit for that heavier material. The AC means auto cycle, so as it trips, it has a feed rate from 1 thou to 5 thou that's adjustable on your feed rate. Once it cycles through and cuts all the way through the pipe, it'll automatically retract, so you're not having to pull tool bits back. Then you can just slide to your next cut line. It has a tripper on this side. As it rotates, the feed arm hits that, and that's what cycles it down. So normally our 500 series is a collet size, collet style machine. But when we get this large, that would be a lot of material to be machining. So we go ahead and switch it to these saddles. So it is a collet mounted on saddles, and this material on this one is aluminum. But if you would need to contact your stainless pipe with stainless, these pads could be made out of stainless. So if we walk over here, we can talk about the tool holders. This machine comes with 3 different tool holders, a number 2, 3, and a 4. Depending on the diameter of the pipe, you just switch those out. These are the saddles that bolt into the collet, and you can see that segment right there. That's easy to change to stainless. And this is what you just rotate out when you change sizes. Okay, now that we talked about our saddles, we're gonna go over here. We already have our 8-inch tube saddles mounted in the machine. I'm gonna grab a piece of 8-inch Schedule 10 inconel tube, and we'll go ahead and make a cut. So you want to push your tube in from the back, come up to your cut line, and then our handle here is what closes the saddles onto the tube. The other thing to mention when you got this 4-point contact is it helps your ovality round it up while you're cutting your tube. So we got our tube set, we got our cut line. This is our tripper that actuates the feed mechanism as it rotates. We'll go ahead and engage that, and then we'll go ahead and get started and make a cut. Okay, now that we got our tube in, got the tripper pin engaged, we'll go ahead. We talked about this Metabo motor. This is a right angle Metabo motor as variable speed. This is available in 110 or 220. So we can change our RPM with that, and we'll go ahead and make this cut. So now that we're done with our straight sever, which is within 0.02 of square, we can go ahead and talk about some features and benefits it has. It comes on a mounting plate that has bolt holes in it that you can bolt it to a table. And it also has a lifting eye that's capable of lifting up its weight. Some attachments are this SQM, which is a squaring module, and it is built so it can swing in and be able to remove the burr if it's remaining on this side. Also, if you're doing electropolished pipe, the tool bit is designed to feed the chip out so it doesn't go inside the electropolished pipe. Swing it out of the way, lock it in, push your pipe through. The other accessory that we can get is a foot pedal to run the motor.